Hi everyone, I'm picking 2.0 here and I heard I got some mail. Oh, okay, sure. Okay. Oh, what is this? Oh. What is Hi, it's Mr. Joe. I am Dr. X Mom's cousin. I opened a pet store. I will give you a pet for free because you are my cousin's friend. I am located on the right of your lap. JK on the right. Stick. Oh, iPad. It's a name tag. Cool. Is this true? Is this true? Is it true? Yes, it is actually true. I do have a cousin. I never knew he has a pet store. Cool. I want to go get a pet. Oh, I hope he is a very good pet. Okay, he will be a good pet. Let's go. Let's go. So, on our way there, we will get our pets. And I'm really looking for a dog because I really want one. Because they look cool. So, your name is Mr. Joe, so you must be the pet keeper. Yes, I am. And what? And if you're looking for a dog, the dogs bite. Okay, I don't want a dog. Okay. So there's a bird. Bird stuff. Seed. You know? Hi. So your name will be iPad. I can't wait. iPad. Okay. Look, you're so cute. Let's break that stand. Oh, he's on my shoulder. Oh my gosh. Thank you. I can't wait to show. I can't wait. You. I'm not gonna get you. Bye. I hope you like him. Okay, I love him. Thank you. Thank you so much. What is your problem? Hi, experience points. Woohoo! Hey! Do you see me? Hey, Mr. Dr. X Bob. Look! A pet you see on my shoulder? Oh my gosh, it was awesome. I also got this cool stick. Well, trash. Okay. And awesome. Well, tweet. Oh, you're so cute. Well, that's it for now. Subscribe and leave a like. Goodbye.